Book writing tips in under 1 minute. And here's tip number 5. I've been talking about writing, and one of the first things you got to do is get yourself into the actual mindset or the mood for the piece that you're about to write. I write a lot of short stories, and I need to be pumping, quick, fast-paced, and whatever. So what I have a tendency to do is sit down to listen to some of my favorite music, which just happens to be that 70s kind of rock. And I have a digital station called Digital Radio, and features Nights with Alice Cooper, and it's got all of my old favorites on there. And I sit back and I listen, and I do my little rocking anthem, and I feel really pumped to get something quick. However, if I want to write something a bit more somber, I certainly don't play any Alice Cooper. I sit back, I become reflective of what it must be like to be in that position. So whatever you do, get yourself in the mood before you write the piece that you want to do. That's tip number 5. I'll catch up soon. Bye for now.